Hello, I'm Dr. Jim Dean, Superintendent of Dysart Schools. Today, I'm excited to share with you about some of the campus and facility upgrades and maintenance that has taken place or is in the works to help improve safety and security, as well as beautify and keep our campuses in good repair. With safety as a top priority for Dysart, we are nearly done with safety glass installations in all of our front offices to help further secure our campuses. Additionally, we are working on upgrades to our security camera and emergency management systems, as well as camera replacements and installations on school campuses. While there is always more to do in this area and our work will continue, I'm happy to report that we are committed to spending $2 million more on safety this year than we did last year. We also have a number of maintenance projects taking place to keep our facilities and systems running smoothly and in good shape. And best of all, the vast majority of it, over $13 million, has been funded by the School Facilities Board Renewal Grant Program. 12 of our schools will be assessed for weatherization needs or weatherized with painting or roofing. 3 schools will receive new cooling towers. 3 schools will get new walk-in coolers or freezers. 2 schools have paving projects, and 1 school will get a brand new gym floor. Lastly, this year, 3 of our schools have been the lucky recipients of a tree planting donation project through an amazing partnership with the Arizona Sustainability Alliance to help beautify and provide valuable shade to the campuses. Surprise Elementary, Dysart Middle, and Dysart High School received over 100 trees among their schools, and they are looking great. I hope you can see that in Dysart, we value the community's investment in our local schools, and we strive to keep our schools safe, clean, and in good repair.